Hey guys, today we're looking at the Chamberlain chain and cable drive. You can get this one from Lowe's and Home Depot. Let's see if we can get a model number for you guys. These are the model numbers. I cannot see from down here because I don't have a ladder. Scoot this level back in. Pop the light lens back on. Now let's go to the wall control over here. And let's run this garage door down. Opener is pretty darn quiet. The door is a little squeaky though. So the opener is very quiet for a chain drive. The door arm is at a pretty good angle. It closes pretty tight to the floor. It's a very quiet operator for a chain drive. The only thing this one is missing is the nut that goes there. Let's open her back up. It's a very quiet chain drive. Alright guys, hope you enjoy the video. And what I notice is very close to the stop bolt, but it clears it just fine. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please subscribe, leave a like, and thank you for watching.